deck lift. $536 hours. Power steering on this unit. You can easily steer it with one finger. Powered deck lift on this unit. It has a fuel injected Kawasaki engine. So if you notice, there's no choke. This is John Deere X590. Both headlights work. It has all new tires all around. Still see the little stubs still on here and then on the back as well. All new tires all the way around. Has a 48-inch deck. Seat's in good shape. It does have one little rip right here. Have a deck leveling kit, although it is missing the little tool here, I guess. Have some cosmetic scuffs here on the back. Easy to access when the deck is all the way down. Easy to access grease zerks. 48-inch deck. Got brake, forward and reverse pedals. Here's your deck height setting. Whenever the deck's all the way up, you can move that to where you want it and then drop it down to your setting, and then it's stuck in place. Has an adjustable seat, tilt steering, throttle, mower deck lift. You need to push this button if you want to mow in reverse. If you don't push that button, the mower deck will cut out. Parking brake set, cruise control set, PTO engagement, ignition switch. There's headlights on. Both headlights work. This machine has 535 hours on it and change. That features differential lock, which we demonstrated is working correctly. We have this machine for sale. It's ready to go. It's ready to mow today. If you're interested in it, if you'd like to take it for a test spin or take it home, feel free to reach out to us anytime. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.